How to create CapCut glitch effects. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create glitch effect on CapCut. Firstly, open your CapCut application and import the video. After importing the video, you will land to this kind of editing page. Now there are generally two methods from which you can create this glitch effect. Right now I'm just splitting the video. So the first method is to create a glitch effect in transition. For example, let's just say that there are two clips. Now you can tap on this white bubble right between this split. After that, you can add this transition. At the top panel, you will see different kind of options. Swipe to view more options. You will see the glitch section. Go there. Now here you will see all the glitch effects that are available for transitions. Select any that you like, and just like that you can create a glitch effect. For the next method, you need to go to Effects, select the video clip for which you would like to create the effect, select Effect from the bottom panel. Inside Effects, select Video Effects. From the top panel, go to the Glitch section. In the Glitch section, select the glitch effect that you'd like to apply. There are various other glitch effects also that you can select from. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.